next step with these, since we don't have a smoker, and this is a great tip for any of you who want to do ribs at home, don't have a smoker, okay? So, you're going to take these and you're going to get a little bit of water. Put a little water in the pan. This way, when you put them in the oven, you're going to have some steam. They won't dry out. They're going to braise, alright? And that's really what you're doing when you smoke meat even. It's dry braising. So, here for a moment. Now, next secret trick. Plastic wrap. Most people think you cannot put plastic wrap in the oven. That is wrong. You absolutely can, and it is absolutely essential to doing ribs in the oven. And it makes for super moist, fall off the bone, braised ribs. Short ribs, pot roast, anything like that. Plastic wrap, plastic wrap, plastic wrap. It seals in all the moisture. Now, the other half to that is plastic wrap will melt if you don't cover it with tin foil. Again, the tin foil is not as important as is the plastic wrap. It's just there really, again, to make sure your plastic wrap doesn't melt. And then, last but not least, since plastic wrap is sticky, take another baking sheet, put it underneath. This way, you can just slide it into the oven nice and easy. So, we're going to bake these on 450 degrees for 45 minutes. Then we're going to take them out and we're going to put them in a nice low oven and continue baking them for about 2 hours. Alright, and then we'll have ourselves some ribs.